That's definitely a West Coaster Hoptoberfest beer. Hey guys, not all Oktoberfests are created equal, and that's okay, because Novo is going to tell us why. Yo, it's your host Paul. Welcome to a sensational segment here on a Sunday on Sons of Suds. Let's get it started. They say this was a mistake, but it tastes amazing. It's obviously over hoppy, and it's got tons of ingredients, but it seems to be so perfectly balanced for a mistake. That's what craft beer is all about. Thank you, Novo. You know what I mean? They're this SoCal brewery with a Brazilian soul, and it shows in their beer. This 5.5% Oktoberfest brew right here is delicious, dry, hoppy, and amazingly smooth and fresh. Cheers. Unique and amazing. Novo was originally opened in 2015 by Maurice, and now it is owned and operated by brothers Eduardo and Giago. And they're still kicking ass in Chula Vista, California. Don't take my word for it. Go on down. Check out their 3-year anniversary that they're